Hey everyone! So I wanted to start out this video showing you a couple of pieces that I resined this week. Actually, it was Sunday and Monday. So this was video 85. It was a wood round that I got at Target. It was a charger plate actually. And I did I think it was a flip cup. So I did put my resin on there. There's 2 coats on there, and this is for my son's girlfriend. So this will be getting sent to Texas. And I did put cork on the back so she can use it like on her nightstand or on her dresser to put things on, or she can hang it up. So, or plate it. So I got that one done. I did a record album too, but I just noticed today it needs another coat, so I'm not even going to show you that one. And this is my tabletop. This was video 89. Look how nice and clean my backs are. I use electrical tape and wax paper. And that way you can get the electrical tape all the way up to the edge. And when you peel it off, I use a razor blade to peel it off. And then I take a fingernail file and just file it nice and smooth. This goes to a table that I purchased. I got them on clearance for $8. So I'm going to put it together and see what it looks like. The legs and all the hardware is all white. So we'll see what it looks like. But this thing is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And there's 2 coats of resin on there. And it just is absolutely beautiful. And this was probably my best piece that I've ever resined. I've resined a lot of clocks and none of them have ever come out this perfect. So this was absolutely worth the $8 that I paid for it. So, get those out of the way. So I have a 20 by 20. Got some cork on there. And it's a gallery wrap canvas. What did it's not. It's a 12 by 16. My goodness, I'm not with it today, am I? I haven't really decided what we're going to do on here yet. I think I'm going to do a pour. I have so many colors mixed up, and the flip and drags, I don't get to use them all. So I really need to use up some paint. Oh, let me set those down. My baby wipes that I use to wipe my tools off with. I haven't done anything really purpley in a while. Well, so let's do that. Let's do some purple. So I have Premier Violet mixed up. And I have some Deco Art Purple Metallic. I know I have some more purple somewhere. What's this one? Oh, that's ultramarine blue. Why does it look so purpley? I have some Creative Inspirations Purple Lake. That is a very pretty color. This is the same as what's in there. And this one's a little darker than this one. This is Creative Inspirations Dioxazine Violet. So let's try those. And we're going to need a highlight color. So I think maybe we'll try, besides white, how about a teal topaz metallic? I know you're thinking, ugh, green and purple, yuck. But you'd be surprised how well this will blend in. Maybe. Yeah, I really don't have much in the purple side. I do need one little shot of a dark blue in there, though, to offset that teal. So I'll go with some Prussian blue, the old standby. All right. So I'm probably going to use 3 cups. And of course my WD-40 to get the paint out of the cups. And that is the black can. And it stinks, just letting you know. I did put oh my goodness, I am like lost for words today. The dimethicone in a spray bottle. I'm still working. I'm going to make a dabber today and put it in a jar. So I can just go in and wet it with a dabber. So trying to get less chemicals when I'm torching that I'd be inhaling. I looked at respirators at Home Depot and I'm not there yet. I'm just not, I just don't want to be quiet when I'm painting. You know me, I gotta talk. So, I'm gonna use some white in the bottom. Messy, messy. I got my Arteza paints and I did do a sample pour yesterday. And I'm still waiting for them to contact me with the affiliation papers or whatever. So I'm not doing a video for them until I get that done. So I'm going to follow that with the purple metallic. And I'll be using this again probably. And let's do a little Prussian blue. And then we're going to go ahead with the dioxazine. Well, I probably should do the teal topaz since we did a blue. Okay, now we'll go with the dioxazine. And we're going to do another whole layer of these colors yet, if I have room in the cup. Okay, get that in the order I'm going here. I'm going to layer some white, not a lot. And I'm going to go ahead and follow that with the Premier Violet. I ordered some new squirt bottles too. Oh my goodness, I'm making a mess. Michael's had a sale this weekend, 40% off your online orders. So I ordered some squirt bottles and some acrylic flow, even though I'm using the Creative Inspiration stuff that I absolutely love. The colors are so nice. Okay, so now we'll go ahead with this Purple Lake. It is a very interesting color. It's like a purple magenta color. It's pretty. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and start all over. So I'll go white. Metallic purple. And I'm just layering those. Prussian blue. Give that a squirt. Teal topaz. All these colors are pretty much setting on top of each other. And we need a little tiny bit of white. And I'm not gonna put the Premier Purple in because it's the same color. And we'll do the Purple Lake. And these are gonna get a swirl. Alright, let me move all these. Because I have to clean that purple one off. Messy, messy. All right. So we're at 10.5 minutes already. Sorry, guys. Okay. Let's get to work. Pretty, pretty, pretty. That teal topaz is coming up. Trying to keep the white on the sides where I can pour it off. It just does not like to cooperate. Okay. I'm just gonna jimmy a little bit here. Jimmy, shimmy, shimmy, jimmy. I don't want to lose a lot of this side. Over. Get on over. There we go. That's the only bad thing with gallery wraps. So you have to really watch your edges, watch your corners. You've got a lot more paint to push over the edge. I can almost guarantee you that I will have no trouble selling this painting. Everybody likes purple. Maybe you're saying, well, I don't. That's what I mean. You know, and I'm not a big purple fan. I love teal. I'm not a big purple fan. But boy, I'll tell you what, out of the paintings that I've sold, probably a third of them have been purple. I just think it's because it's the color of the year too. You got to remember that. So if anybody's updating their apartments or anything to be in season, they're gonna buy purple. And that blue is gorgeous in there. Let's torch it. I get my sides really well because there's a lot of paint on the sides. Oh, started a little fire there, didn't I? See what I mean? It's contained. And I have a fire extinguisher right here. These are just plastic. And so yeah, I should turn the painting around. It's my own fault. I don't like that spot there, and I bet you I bumped that when I don't have to watch the video. So I have nothing new coming up, but it's going to change overnight, so I love this band through here because I didn't have any cells come up yet, but there will be a few coming up through there. This kind of looks like a little flower bud there. This is pretty here. I did mix up some more of that iridescent medium with the Prussian blue that I'll probably use in a video today. Sorry. Okay, fire's out. Yes, we're going good today. Let me give you a little peek. It's so pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. The metallics in there are going to be gorgeous when this dries. And I have some beautiful runoff that I'm going to pull some photo paper out and go ahead and make some swipes on photo paper. But thank you so much for joining me. If it's the first time you're watching, please click subscribe and hit the little bell next to the subscribe button, and you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Click like and share, and join me on Facebook at Christina Welch Art. And my Etsy shop is Christina Welch Art as well. And I do have paintings and jewelry for sale there. If you have questions, you can contact me through Facebook or leave a little comment below. If it's something simple, I can answer for you. So have a great day, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.